Hello, good evening friends. In this video we are giving a very important information to you. You might have heard that State Bank of India is going to recruit a lot of associates in their branches all over the country. Here we are giving you the detailed information one after another. Now, from expert guidance, you might have gone through our earlier videos also. In this series, we will give one after another the information for forthcoming examination, etc. during this COVID period. It is a high time that you should get yourself prepared and attend the exams so that you can manage a job within this period. Here, the news is State Bank of India is going to recruit junior associates. Total number is enormous. It is 5,121. 5,121, can you imagine? In different circles. In Bengal circle also there will be huge recruitment. Those who are from Calcutta or West Bengal surrounding states, they can participate. Here we are going one after another, the qualifications, etc. regarding this. It is age group. Age should be 21 years from the lower side to upper side 28 years as on 1/4, 1st April 2021, that is the current year. 1st April your age should not be more than 28 years. Of course, there is other relaxation applicable in case of SC, ST and other categories of job seekers. Therefore, it is as early in all other cases, whatever they are giving, here it is also there. Educational qualification, it is a graduate. From any stream, from any recognized university, graduation will do. It is not necessary that commerce, science, arts, any background, even the engineering or others, which is equivalent to graduation, it is there. But for ex-army, navy, etc., that is army personnel, for them the educational relaxation, some other is there. It is available in their website. We will give the details website here. Now, the pay scale, it is a basic scale, 17,900 to 47,920. It is a basic scale. Along with these, all other amenities given by the bank, it is all allowances, etc. It is there. It means that is a handsome amount. If you can get through this one, then your future is settled and reasonably good salary. Last date of application is 17th May. Application has to be made online. 17th May, it means you are having more than 10 days, 9 days also from henceforth, and you should try. Application fee is 750 rupees in case of general categories, and the exemption, the fees, that is SC, ST and other categories, there is a fee exemption. It is there. You can avail. Next one is that pattern of the exam. There will be two-level exam. It is first preliminary. The probable date is by June. It means next month, June. It is there will be 100 questions for 1 hour. 1 hour exam. The distribution of the questions, etc. That is English language, general English language. There will be 30 questions and time is given for 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, you have to complete that 30 questions. Numerical abilities, that is arithmetical problem, etc., etc. It is a 30 marks, 30 questions and 20 marks. And reasoning abilities. Reasoning abilities, there will be 30 questions. 30 questions. I think some mistake somewhere is crippled. I will give you another detail, rectify this one. 100 questions it is not there, 90 is there, means in one set it will be 40 questions. and the time is 20 minutes. It means 1 hour you have to complete that 100 questions. In out of these 30, 30, 30, there will be one group that should be 40. I will give it subsequently. Negative marking is there also. For incorrect answer, your one mark will be deducted. It means you are losing for incorrect number 5 marks. Next one is the main exam pattern. Main exam is 31st July is the probable date. The fixed it is 31st July 2021. 190 questions. 190 questions, 200 marks. Time is given 2 hours 40 minutes. Here the subject-wise distribution is GL and financial awareness. GL and financial awareness, it means banking activities, etc. The course 50 questions, 50 marks, 35 minutes time. General English 40 questions, marks 40, 35 minutes time. Again the quantitative aptitude, it means arithmetical problem, etc., etc. It is 50 questions, 50 marks, 45 minutes time. Reasoning ability and computer aptitude, it is 60 minutes, 60 questions, 50 marks and 45 minutes time. It means while appearing in the exam you have to be very swift, as fast as possible, then success is inevitable. That you have to practice. You have to practice, and these model question, etc. While the written exam call letter will come, they will give you an acquaint yourself one booklet wherever you will get all the details of the question pattern, etc., etc. How to appear and how to answer the questions. All details will be given. It is acquaint yourself with the booklet given along with your call letters. Then for further details, 2 websites is given. https://bank.sbi/career, and second one is also sbi.co.in/careers. In this, if you go through this site, you will get further details. All the details will be available. I request you to, those who are appearing in the exam, those who have decided to appear, apply first, they just go through this one, get all the details from here. And here, expert guidance. Those who are interested in bank jobs, they can join our classes. Now, of course, during the corona period, it is online classes by our specialist expert, including very senior bank officers. They will help you, they will guide you how to get yourself prepared for banking job, and give you practice set within time frame, how you can answer, all the techniques they will guide you. You can join here. From expert guidance, we give a study material, notes and suggestions, regular and weekly test, mock test, preparation for personality test, wherever necessary, that is bank PO, etc., probable question sets, and now